In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vertical text in Power BI. If you've ever wanted a clean vertical label on the side of a visual or along the edge of your report, this method is quick and reliable. Start with your report open in Power BI Desktop. At the top, go to the Insert tab and choose Shape. This lets us place a simple object on the canvas that can hold text. Pick any shape you like. A rectangle or rounded rectangle usually works best because the edges keep the text tidy once it's vertical. Once the shape appears on your report, make sure it's selected. When it is, the Format Shape pane will show up on the right side. If you don't see it, simply click the shape again to bring the formatting options into view. In that pane, open the Style section and enable Text. This unlocks the text area for the shape so we can add content directly inside it. Type the text you want to display and adjust the basic formatting right there. You can set the font, size, color, and text alignment. If you plan to rotate the text, centering it horizontally and vertically inside the shape now will help it look balanced later. You can also adjust padding so the text doesn't crowd the edges. With your text in place, head to the Rotation section. To make the text vertical, set the rotation for all to exactly 90 degrees or 270 degrees, depending on which direction you want the text to face. A 90-degree rotation usually makes the text read from bottom to top, while 270 degrees flips it the other way from top to bottom. Try both and choose the one that suits your layout. After the rotation is set, resize the shape to fine-tune how the text fits. Drag the handles to narrow the width and extend the height, or vice versa, so your vertical label looks clean and legible. You can continue to customize the shape's fill color, border, and shadow to match your report's theme. If the text looks cramped, tweak the font size or adjust padding until it's comfortable to read. That's all you need to create vertical text in Power BI using a shape. It's a simple approach that gives you consistent visual results and full control over formatting. Place it alongside charts, use it as a section label, or align it with your grid for a polished, professional report. Thanks for watching, and happy building.